everyone, it's me, yours truly John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are back for another reaction video for the official trailer of Made in Malacanang. Ito nga isa sa pinaka-controversial ngayon sa Philippines na ipapalabas this year, directed by the controversial director also, Direk Daryl Yap. Ayan, sabi nila ito daw ay ang story ng last 48 hours ng mga Marcoses or pamilya Marcos sa Malacanang before sila mapatalsik at dalhin sa Hawaii noong People Power EDSA Revolution. At ito nga ay base sa kwento ng tatlong maid sa loob ng Malacanang at doon daw iikot ang story. So tignan natin ano bang meron sa Made in Malacanang. And of course, I'm so excited because Rupa Gutierrez is Madam Imelda. Yes, of course, and Cesar Montano, Diego Loizaga, sino pa nga ba? Si Ariana, si Ella Cruz, and of course, Christine Reyes. So tingnan natin ano ba ang meron sa Made in Malacanang. But before that, guys, of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction video. And if you have any other requests, just comment down below and we will check that out for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Made in Malacanang. Oh, Christine Reyes as Ivy Marcos.
Isang dosena ng kudeta. Anong pinagkaiba
May mga assassination attempts pala talaga. Oh, the helicopter! Wait guys, dun sa umpisa, is it a sign na sasakay sila ng helicopter? Diba? Parang ganun yung pinapakita nung parang ano siya, Easter egg dito sa trailer na to. Kasi diba, kinuha sila ng chopper, then akala nila is they're going to Ilocos, but they were sent to Hawaii. So, let's go.
Kanina
Based
pa lang
on the
6:30
untold
ng
truth.
umaga, may sinasabi na yung babae sa radyo na wala na raw yung mga Marcos.
Oh, real
Sino
footage
mga kasama
ng
natin dito? Aparisyon?
1986.
Dad! Bakit ganyan pa rin ang damit mo? Anong gusto mong palabasin?
Dad, pinasabugan na po nila tayo.
Cesar Montano and Diego Loizaga.
So, ang gusto mo, pasabugan din natin sila.
Pugat to ng mga ahas! Dilingkis na nila tayo! Maghihintay na lang
God,
sila ng
intense.
kailan yung tamang oras para lagutin yung hininga natin.
Look at
Anong alam mo
Rupa.
sa pagkapanalo? Anong alam mo sa katapatan? Gayong, palagi kang nagpa-party, palagi kang wala, palagi kang nasa club.
Oh my God, wait guys. Pinapagalitan si BBM dito na anong alam niya sa pagkapanalo, anong alam niya sa katapatan, kung lagi naman siyang wala at nagpa-party at nasa club. Oh my God, parang they could have removed that part wherein medyo parang kasiraan yon kay BBM, but they still include it to be like transparent maybe and to tell the whole story, like yun talaga yung ginagawa ni BBM before siya makita tong mga nangyayari na to. So let's go back a little and continue.
Para lagutin yung hininga natin.
Grabe
Anong
si
alam mo
Rupa,
sa
no?
pagkapanalo? Anong alam mo sa katapatan?
Yeah, this part.
Gayong, palagi kang nagpa-party, palagi kang wala, palagi kang nasa club.
My God,
Alam mo, Mama
intense,
Tito,
Cesar
Hindi ko
Montano.
kayo iiwan ni Daddy. Bibit-bitin ko kayo sa ayaw niyo at sa gusto. Bakit ba kasi tayo aalis? Kung hindi tayo lalaban, kailangan
Ayan, ito yung controversial post ng mga
Pinalibutan na nila
pumasok
itong
sa
Malacanang.
Malacanang.
Hindi na maintindihan kung sinong pwedeng pagkatiwalaan dito sa palasyo.
We are
God, look at
finally
Rupa,
free,
very stunning.
and we can be truly proud of the unprecedented way we achieved our freedom in peace.
Wait guys, you see that statement of former President Corazon Aquino that we achieve freedom and peace, but they're showcasing a clip that people barged into the palace at talaga namang sinira. Kasi may mga documentary yan guys, not only in social media, but may mga news abroad na pinakita yan. If you search in YouTube, you will see that yung mga tao talaga umakyat sa bakod, sinunog nila yung mga posters and everything dun sa palasyo. So, yun yung gusto siguro iatid dito ni Direk Daryl. My God, grabe ka talaga, Direk. Let's continue.
Get them out of the Philippines.
Oh my God! Ooh, Rupa Gutierrez! Oh my God, ang ganda ng theme song.
Hindi na tayo makakapalit.
Hindi na tayo makakabalik. Oh!
Makakabalik tayo.
Makakabalik tayo.
Makakabalik tayo.
Oh my God! Made in Malacanang! Yes, a Daryl film. Daryl Yap film on August 3. Oh my God, guys! Ang ganda nung last part na yon. The scene with Rupa Gutierrez as Imelda and then si Diego as BBM na sinabi niya hindi na tayo makakabalik. And then BBM said, makakabalik tayo, makakabalik tayo. Oh my God, goosebumps! I love it. Ang ganda ng delivery and cinematography. There you have it, guys. That is Made in Malacanang official full trailer. Grabe. For sure, it's going to be controversial because the story and the plot and also marami for sure yung mga anti-Marcoses, di ba? I'm not indulging into politics here, but I'm not also taking sides, but this is a movie. This is an interpretation on the information that the writer, the director, na nakuha nila, and they will just showcase it in a movie. But it doesn't mean na, syempre, nasa sa atin na rin bilang isang normal na Pilipino to see if it's really true or not para sa inyo, kung nakwento ba yan ng lolo nyo, napanood nyo ba ito sa isang documentary. So may mga bagay talaga na hindi natin maaalis, 'di ba? Na talagang may sasabihin sa pelikulang ito na hindi totoo or totoo. So magiging mahati talaga ang opinion ng bawat manonood. Pero at the end of the day, I think what Direct Daryl is trying to showcase here is the side of the Marcoses, right? Yung story base sa kanila. Because we always see the other side. Lagi natin nakikita, even when I was young, in the history books, that ang ina ng demokrasya, ang tatay ng demokrasya, the people who bring back democracy in the Philippines, but hindi natin alam yung side, hindi natin nakita yung both side. They always give just one side of the story. So I think it's time, 'di ba? Sa panahon ngayon, masyado ng nasa millennial times na tayo, digital world, marami na tayong pwedeng maging source ng katotohanan. And it's time to listen or to see the other side of the story. And if you believe it or not, it's still up to you. But at the end of the day, we still need to respect each other. And sana hindi ito maging, yung parang mag-divide na naman ng opinion like the elections. But for sure, kung ano man yung mensaheng gustong ipahatid ng movie na ito is the vision of Direct Daryl is to show the side of the story na hindi natin nakita. 'Di ba? Na for the longest time, hindi natin nakita, hindi natin narinig, hindi natin nalaman. So, I'm so excited to watch this movie. I will definitely check out kung saan ito ipapalabas. Sana meron din international screening direct dito sa Malaysia, 'di ba? O para naman mapanood natin ang buo at makita natin ang other side of the story. So para sa akin, it's just the other side of the story because we've been hearing yung ibang side ng story. So, yeah. So, once again, guys, disclaimer lang po. Opo, wala akong kinakampihan dito, no? I don't want to indulge in political views kasi pag nag-political views ako, alam niyo naman kung saan tayo papanig at kung saan ako sa politika. But for me, I'm doing this just to be fair and to understand why do we have to have this film. Alright, that's a wrap with our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, kindly do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now. Oh my God!